Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your JBL Authentics 200 speaker to an iPhone. To connect your JBL Authentics 200 speaker to your iPhone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, and make sure Bluetooth is on. Then click on the Bluetooth icon on your speaker. Then you can click on pair if the speaker automatically asks you to pair with your iPhone, or if it doesn't, just press on the speaker name. After that, you'll hear a connection sound. Now your speaker is connected to your iPhone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.